In this video, we will show you how to create printing methods inside the Zakeke Visual Customizer. Printing methods are a core part of Zakeke. This is where you can create it and assign it to one or more products, sites, or even variants. Printing methods is a profile where you can customize settings for your print-ready files and the customization tools for your products. Let's add it one. This is where you enable or disable the customizable options based on how you print. In particular, you can enable or disable the following options. But please, give it a name first. And then select the print-ready files that you support. Those are the standard output format that Zakeke supports: SVGs, PDFs, PNGs, and DXF. Of course, select the TPI. Then, let's start playing. You can get a single print file for a print area by just clicking here, and then customize the width, height in centimeters, the number of columns, the number of rows, and all these settings that are needed to get the same print-ready files for all the print area. Then you can use a custom CMYK profile for PDF output by just clicking here and choosing the file. If you can, then also we support a mirror print file. Of course, we can have it horizontal, vertical, or both. You can actually replace colors in the final print-ready file, for example, by just enabling the option, select the original color, and then the depressing one. Let's go inside the settings. You can actually set a limit for the number of colors customers can use in a design. And just put the max number of color. You can actually set the available colors and then select if you want to generate a print-ready file in PNG for each color. Think about that. Also, you can allow users to add text like text starts, curved text box, bold, uppercase, italic, a lot of things. Also, the max number of text elements, the default font size, let's make it 10, the default color if you want some. And then you can actually predefine a set of colors of the text and choose the available colors here. You can actually allow the text resize with a minimum and a maximum font size, align spacing. Think about that. Also, a letter spacing. Then you can select the text alignment. Remember, those are default options that you can manage, check, and customize. In Zakeke, the possibilities are unlimited, and the only limit is your imagination. You can enable images and clipart galleries so that customers can select the ones that you upload. Most importantly, you can auto-fit the image to the print area. If you just want a size that needs to be that and not be resizable by the customers, click here. Or you can actually prevent users to resize images by clicking here. You can allow users or not to upload their own images. And of course, select the file supported by you. Also, they allow PDF with rasters, convert PDF to rasters. If check, Zakeke will do that for you. Resize large PDFs for better performance. Think about large printing. Select if you support EPS, AI, and if you want them converted to raster, or if you want customers to upload their images from their social media, or even premium photos. You can allow users to change the color of SVG images, or even select the predefined sets of colors for the imaging. Then the images editing tools and filters. If you want customers to actually edit the images they can upload. Then you can allow users to generate a PDF preview of their design. This is to provide your users with the possibility to generate and download a PDF with their design. The PDF, remember, is not print quality, so they can use it to print the design somewhere else. You can also duplicate, flip, and bring forward and back toward tools. These are the tools that your customers can use in the customizer on the text and images they add to the design. Then you can enable your customers to add shadows to their design elements, and then you can include them inside the print ready files. Select the default shadow color, the blur, the distance, and the angle. Then you can manage all the available fonts for end users. You can even upload one and select automatic and default ones. Please remember, those are all customizable. So you can just click here and select not to support Aladdin. Poor Aladdin. Then you can set effects if needed. Zakeke allows you to activate special effects for your products that simulate specific production methods. Those are engraving and pre-unfold in full colors. Those will be the focus of other videos. Then select the products and sites you want to apply your printing methods. You can even apply the printing methods for all the products or just one, for example. Once you save the option, the printing method has been saved and been applied to your product. So all settings and customization rules, and of course the print ready file settings will be applied to the customization available to your customers. And all customizations and settings will be reflected inside the print ready files on your orders.